Hey guys, what's up? We're gonna be doing a video today, exploration of Sloss furnace. You want to look around. A little bit about Sloss furnace. It was founded in 1881, and it's been staying here in Birmingham ever since. It's what? 1881.
71.
Fuck you, Austin. Okay, our real reason for coming here today is we're gonna be ghost hunting. We're here with our group of friends from the Paranormal Research Society at UAB. And we're gonna be doing a ghost hunt today. But we're gonna be showing you guys Sloss and let y'all go on this exploration and all this adventure and see it. And if y'all wanna check out our evidence, what we find from this hunt, y'all can check it out on our other channel. We'll put a link for that in the description. But we hope you enjoy the video, guys, okay? Much Sloss, very loud. Some history of Alabama, people. All the front new stuff that happened here. A little bit of some side information. What we're coming to right now. This is one of the cast sheds. There isn't really too much reported stuff here. But if you look ahead, you can see some of the blower stacks. Dangerver Restarikte Arier. I believe that leads down some of the tunnels. Which that's where some people say that there's a lot of activity and stuff. Very fascinating, very fascinating. Fascinating. Now if you're in Alabama and you want to come to Sloss, you can come down here. It's absolutely free from the hours of 12 to 4 p.m. on the weekdays and weekends. And you can do this self-guided tour. Look at all this wonderful stuff. All this rust covered iron furnace. Now, hopefully at some point we're gonna try to veer off the beaten path and get down and explore some of this stuff. Hopefully we can give you guys a little look at that.
That's really cool.
Yes.
I guess, and this stuff right here, this is set up for their Fright Fest.
Yeah.
They do like a haunted house tour deal.
Yeah, they do a haunted house here in Sloss.
So this is like where the people hide and stuff.
Yeah. I remember this part. I kissed a goat head here once.
Yeah.
But yeah. If you look below us, you can see some of the original rails that were used by the trains to carry in and out materials.
Yes. Oh no!
A wild Kayla up here.
I don't know. I think we're in the Fright Fest part.
Did we go the wrong way?
That's the only way we could go.
Hunter? Stop.
Yeah, I think we're like in the haunted house part. I feel like we're not supposed to cross the rope. I feel like this is bad.
Let you guys get a look inside some of these furnaces. Oh yeah. These ovens. These were part of the boilers.
No, they're like right over there.
This is really neat.
I feel like we're totally not where we're supposed to be. Zac Efron. Yeah, we don't know where we are. Okay. More haunted house stuff.
These are the cages where they kept the children that were bad. Like Kayla.
Kayla, you're gonna break it. Oh gosh. Minor setback.
These were the steam boilers. This is where they built all that power. Unlimited power.
Scotty.
So this is where a lot of the slag stuff, quote unquote slag stuff, is reported. And there's slag himself. Of course you would be that, Scotty.
Have y'all done any sessions yet?
No.
Okay.
We're
I
the
need
tunnels
to-
are flooded
Oh, I
by
need
about
to
3 feet.
I need to
Yeah.
record this.
Yeah, we could see down there. There's like little minnows in there.
Oh, shit.
But we're hoping there's maybe another area that's not flooded.
Okay.
Chugga chugga choo choo.
Oh, back to the lake.
What is this?
Flooded. Yeah, you can look at it over here. You look straight down.
Wait, are these that go down to the tunnel? Oh, that's so creepy. Shiny flashlight.
You see how flooded it is?
Ew. Wow. Yum. Ooh, you can see it underneath us. That's creepy. Grippy. Oh.
We were where we need to be.
Okay. Hey, y'all.
Oh, hi. Interesting. I'll do this little tunnel.
Wait, how far down does it go?
You blinded me. Shine your light down there.
It goes down pretty far. You can see an opening down there. I wasn't wearing my good shoes. I was start feeling that already.
Oh. Ooh.
Trouble.
I'm just glad they put this grate on the floor so we don't have to walk through water like we did a couple years ago.
Yeah.
We're in the tunnels.
Yeah, we're in the tunnel. With the crib.
We just did some EVPs, hadn't got anything yet, but we're gonna go back over it in a little while and see.
Also, who can go over evidence if we leave? Like,
Me.
right.
We'll three be together, or we'll four be together, so
Yeah.
we can.
Yeah. And when we go over evidence,
Some of the old crane buckets. One of the old mining cranes. Yeah. Cool stuff. Now we're going to try to go on a little adventure. Can I catch up to the group? Panoramic of the front of Sloss. It's that old water tower. Dun dun. Dun dun. Ah! Oh my god.
ah!
Guys,
What?
We're on the haunted trail right
Oh
now.
man.
But there's nobody
Okay.
here.
Hunter's missing.
Austin, this is Old South all over.
Okay, guys, we're at the slide. I'm gonna go down
Scotty, you have to grab a bag.
to the descent. Alright, guys, had to get my hairy sack. Oh, we're reaching the top. We're reaching the top. Oh my god. Are you gonna race me, Austin? Yeah. Okay. Austin's joining. Here we go. Let's get set up. Here we go. Get your hairy sack set up.
All right, here we go.
All right. You ready?
All right. Oh, my fanny pack.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Lame. Lame. I got beat. Lame. Alright, ladies and gents, in front of us we have the powerhouse. Supplied the power, all Sloss fans. This baby.
Oh man.
Oh.
Beep, 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 beep. Oh god, so bright. Beep, beep, beep. Oh my god.
Okay, should we get back to him?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
We found a video, we found a hole in the wall. I'm going in, people. I'm going in. Oh god, it's got the ashes of the fallen. Oh, there's another one. Oh, this one's deep. Oh shit. That'd be pretty freaking awesome to get down there though. Hi.
You stand up?
Yeah, I can stand up.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
But there's another tiny hole right here.
But there's another tiny hole. I'm going in. Like there's like a hole in the hole.
And it's another area you can stand up in, but it's deep. Like,
Turn up.
I'll come back in one piece.
Better.
I'm going down.
Oh my god.
You recording?
Yes.
Oh my god. Do we hold your flashlight when
This
you
is exactly what they tell us to not do.
All right, guys, it's time to start the descent.
Oh, please don't say anything.
Oh yeah,
I would feel better if you were.
guys, this is awesome. This is so awesome. It's like I'm exploring. Oh god, yeah. Hunter? I can hear my echo. Hunter? Hunter? See, look at this. Look how awesome it is.
Oh.
We're at the bottom of a furnace. Like, this is a stove. This is where they cook things, you know, to make the heat.
That's bricked off.
Yeah, and that can't go any further. Here, guys.
Oh, the brick off the other end. Cause that doorway goes on to the other side. Cause I found the other way.
Sweet.
That's pretty damn cool.
Yeah, just got a bunch of ashes down here. All the wood, they burned.
I got it in my shoe.
That's sweet.
Hey y'all, what's over there?
Furnace?
Yeah, we're looking up the chimney stack right now.
They're in the furnace.
Yeah, we were looking up the smokestack.
Y'all come here, Just come look.
Just come in this room.
All right, Katie, you want your phone back?
Thank you.
Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not. If you want to see stuff like this again, please let us know in the comments below. Just give us some ideas and we'll be sure to do it for you guys, okay? In the meantime, just take it easy. Saying bye-bye to Sloss for the day.
Hi.